Have you ever had a feeling that life is a pre-programmed destination and that it is hard for human beings to have control over it? Well, you're not alone in this thought. But I'm here to tell you, there is a secret doorway. Today, we will deliberate on the concept of quantum jumping, the art of consciously choosing the reality you aim to experience. This is not about wishful thinking or blind faith. It is about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions to become a co-creator with the universe itself. Think about it. Every single moment holds the potential for infinite outcomes, from casual things like a conversation you have with strangers, the food you have for breakfast, or keeping to your regular games, to life-altering issues like career choice or partner choice. They all contribute to the reality you consciously weave around yourself. The fact is, you are not an ordinary passenger on this train. You are the conductor, and you have the ability to direct the power of your focus. Albert Einstein once said, "Reality is merely an illusion, albeit a very persistent one." This means if you can direct your emotions, thoughts, and attention, you can shift your realities and make a quantum jump to a timeline that aligns with your goals. Let's dig into this a bit further. This is not about judging the reality you find yourself in. Even if that experience seems challenging, it will definitely come with growth and valuable lessons. See this as a temporary train station, a place to gather, learn, and prepare for your next journey. What's important is to approach it with compassion, gratitude, and readiness for positive change. Imagine waking up each morning not to a single door, but a row of doorways, each leading to a different reality. These doorways represent the different timelines available to you. Out of habit, you might gravitate towards the familiar one, reflecting your current beliefs and expectations. Your day unfolds predictably, good or bad, and it is what you've positioned your mind to expect. But here's the thing. Those other doorways, representing realities full of abundance, joy, and success, are always there. The problem is our conditioned minds often block them out. We get busy dealing with negativity, self-doubt, or having limiting beliefs. These negative experiences reinforce those limitations, but we can break free from this cycle. First, by carefully choosing our focus, and also by cultivating positive emotions. For example, let's assume you aim at a seemingly fulfilling and financially rewarding career change. Instead of allowing feelings of inadequacy or frustration, why not focus on qualities that make you a valuable asset? Think of how you thrive in your dream role. Feel confident and envisage success in the career path. Allow the emotions of excitement and accomplishment wash over you. This alignment with the energy of your desired reality is what attracts the experiences and opportunities that lead you down that path. Now, this doesn't mean micromanaging the universe. There's a beautiful element of surrender involved. Trust that your higher self, your spirit, guides. The universe knows the best path for you. Focus on the essence of your desired reality and let the universe orchestrate the how. Release the need for control and embrace the unfolding journey. Now let our conscious or unconscious choice become part of our infinite reality. Have you ever considered that reality might be far grander, far more fluid than we perceive? As conscious beings are constantly choosing which reality to experience. Every thought, emotion, or action we take is like playing a note in this grand symphony. It might be a conscious choice, like deciding to pursue a dream career, or a subconscious one, fueled by a limiting belief. Regardless, our choices, big and small, contribute to the reality we weave around ourselves. Let's look at it from this lens: quantum physics, the science of the very small, flirts with this concept. It suggests that particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, a reality that becomes more definite only when observed. This begs the question, what if our observations, our choices, are the ones collapsing the wave function of possibility? So, the next time you find yourself feeling stuck or unfulfilled, remember, it's not a dead end. You hold the key to unlock a new reality, a timeline brimming with abundance, joy, and success. The power to choose to consciously shape your experience lies within you. Now, let's get practical. All of this sounds good on paper, but how can you practically manifest the life of your dreams? Here are some powerful techniques to help you on your quantum jumping journey. Number 1, Define your desired reality. The first step is to be certain of what you genuinely want in life. This is beyond having a fancy car or buying a bigger house. Dig deeper. What kind of life do you crave? What emotions do you want to experience daily? Imagine your ideal day. What are you doing? Who are you with? How does it feel? What are your core values? What makes you fulfilled? What would your life look like if limitations were to be removed? This isn't just about ticking boxes on a wish list. Defining your desired reality go a long way in crafting a vivid and emotionally charged vision that can guide you towards your life. Think of this like building a house. You can only have a dream house by meticulously sketching the layout, envisioning the flow, and defining the purpose of each room. Defining your desired reality is laying the emotional and energetic foundation for your dream life. These are the practical tips to get started. Dig beyond the surface. Think about what truly ignites your soul. Note the kind of emotions you crave to experience daily. Is it the thrill of accomplishment, the serenity of inner peace, or the warmth of deep connection? Craft your ideal day. Take a deep breath while having your eyes closed. Now proceed to paint a picture with your mind's eye. Paint a picture of what your perfect day looks like. Are you scaling mountains with a sense of exhilarating freedom? Or are you nestled in a cozy cafe, surrounded by loved ones, laughter filling the air? Notice the finer details like the sights, sounds, and smells, every element that contributes to the overall feeling of your ideal day. Identify your core values. Think of what truly matters to you. Is it living a life of service and helping others? Is it fostering creativity and pushing the boundaries of innovation? It could be achieving financial security or nurturing a deep spiritual connection. Aligning your desired reality with your core values creates a sense of purpose and fuels the fire of your manifestation journey. Express yourself creatively. Visualization boards are a fantastic tool here. Gather images, quotes, and anything that sparks the feeling of your ideal reality. Seeing these visual representations daily reinforces your desires and keeps them in your mind. Number 2, cultivate the feeling of your desire. We've established the importance of defining your desired reality, that vibrant masterpiece waiting to be manifested. Now the following action is to cultivate the feeling of your desire. Think of the universe as a vast radio. Every thought, emotion, and action you emit is like a frequency you broadcast. The law of attraction dictates that you attract experiences that resonate with the frequency you're putting out. This means if you are willing to attract abundance, you can't be broadcasting a scarcity mindset. The key lies in consciously tuning your dial to the frequency of your desired reality. Remember, the universe responds to energy. It's not only about the what you want, it's about the how you want to feel. Focus on positive emotions like joy, abundance, love, and gratitude, as if you're already experiencing your desired reality. Here are the practices to cultivate these positive emotions. Clutch to positive emotions. Think of your emotions as colors. Joy radiates a warm sunshine yellow, while fear might be a cold, constricting blue. The universe responds powerfully to high-frequency emotions like joy, gratitude, love, and abundance. These emotions are like a magnet, and they attract experiences and opportunities that align with your desires. Practice gratitude. Daily gratitude is a tool for attracting the frequency of abundance. Take a moment every day to acknowledge abundance in your life. It can either be by journaling or simply by having a quiet reflection. Take the time to appreciate the good things in your life, either big or small. This simple practice shifts your attention from lack to what you already have. Practice. Affirmations. Affirmations are powerful statements that are capable of resetting your subconscious mind. Repeating positive affirmations about yourself and your goals regularly can make changes to your limiting beliefs and increase your emotional frequency. For example, refrain from saying, "I'm not good enough." Substitute the statement with, "I am worthy of success and abundance." Over time, these positive affirmations become your inner truth and radiate a frequency that attracts the experiences you desire. Paint and visualize your goal. Imagine yourself living your ideal reality. See yourself achieving your goals. Think about you experiencing the joy and fulfillment you crave. Engage all your senses, feel the sun's warmth on your skin, the taste of success on your tongue, the sound of your laughter filling the air. The more vivid and emotionally charged your visualization, the stronger the frequency you broadcast. This emotional resonance attracts experiences that bring your desired reality closer. Allow inspiration to flow through you. Sometimes the most powerful way to cultivate the feeling of your desire is to allow yourself to be inspired. Take any object or people that are capable of influencing or motivating you positively seriously. Positive influences like motivational music, books that ignite your passion, or inspirational talks. Engage in activities like dancing, painting, or spending time in nature. These practices naturally tune you into the frequency of your desires and elevate your emotion positively. Remember, the universe speaks the language of feeling. By cultivating positive emotions and aligning your energy with your goals, you become an irresistible magnet and attract the life you were meant to live. 3. Aligning your actions with desire. Now, it is time to bridge the gap between wishing, which is defining your desired reality, and experiencing, which is cultivating the desired emotion. It is time to align your actions with your desires. Imagine yourself standing at the cliff of a mountain. Your dream life, that breathtaking vista, stretches out before you. You feel the exhilarating pull of the possibility of reaching the summit, but unfortunately, simply gazing at the view won't simply get you there. You rather need to take action by taking steps. Aligning your actions with your desires is not about forcing things or struggling your way to the top. It's about becoming a conscious participant in the manifestation process. Here's how to translate your desires into inspired action. Break down your goals. Break down your larger aspirations into smaller, achievable chunks. This creates a roadmap. For example, if your dream is to write a novel, your first actionable step might be committing to writing 500 words daily. This feels manageable and fuels a sense of accomplishment. Breaking down your goal steadily leads you toward your desired reality and keeps you motivated. Listen to your intuition. Intuition is your inner GPS. It constantly nudges you in the right direction. It might be a sudden idea, a gut feeling, or a synchronistic occurrence. Pay attention to these whispers of your soul. They often guide you towards opportunities that align with your desires, even if they initially seem unexpected. You aim to start your own business. You might receive an unexpected email connecting you with a potential mentor or stumble upon a workshop that ignites a new perspective. These are your intuition's gentle nudges. They are meant to propel you towards your desired reality. Listen to them. Embrace inspired action. Action fueled by genuine inspiration is a potent force for manifestation. Don't force things. Instead, pay attention to what ignites a spark within you. Does volunteering for a cause give you a sense of purpose, or do you feel excitement about researching a new business idea? Pursue these passions. They are the signposts directing you towards your dream life. Let go of resistance. Sometimes, opportunities may not look exactly how you envisioned them. There might be detours, unexpected turns, or even temporary setbacks. This doesn't mean you're off track. Release the need to control the how of manifestation and embrace the flexibility of the journey. The universe often has a better plan and can lead you to your desired reality through unexpected paths. Celebrate every win. The path to your dreams is layered with small victories. Acknowledge and celebrate your progress. They may seem insignificant, but celebrate every little progress made in the cause of getting to your dream. Do you just finish that first chapter of your novel? Are you attending a relevant workshop that will have a significant impact on your career, or simply showing up for yourself every day? These are all wins that deserve recognition. Celebrating these milestones keeps your energy positive and reinforces the belief that you are indeed manifesting your desires. 4. Release and allow. This means letting go and trusting the flow. We've covered the essential steps of crafting your desired reality, defining it, cultivating the emotional frequency, and aligning your actions. Now let's finally look into manifestation's crucial, yet often misunderstood aspect. Remember, that manifestation is a journey, not a destination. Don't be discouraged if things don't happen as quickly as anticipated. See yourself as a skilled sculptor. You are meticulously shaping a magnificent piece of clay. You have poured your heart and soul into this creation and infused it with your vision and intention. After pouring all your craftness into the object, you must release your grip, step back, and allow the sculpture to harden and take its final form. Releasing and allowing in manifestation holds similar potency. Understand that micromanaging the universe rarely leads to fulfillment. Clinging too tightly to a specific outcome can block the flow of abundance. Instead, release and allow the universe, your higher self, or however you perceive the creative force to orchestrate the how of manifestation. It is about trusting that something bigger is at play. Acknowledge there is a force that guides you towards your desires through unexpected paths. Now let's look into these practical steps of cultivating the art of release and allowance. Practice non-attachment. Let go of the need to control your desire's exact form. Trust that the universe knows the best path for you, even if it deviates from your initial vision. For example, you might yearn for a promotion, picturing a specific role and title. Releasing attachment allows for the possibility of an even better opportunity, perhaps a fulfilling project or a leadership role outside your initial expectations. Embrace gratitude. By expressing appreciation for the good things in your life, you open yourself to receive even more. Focus on the journey. Note and be thankful for every small wins and the positive experiences along the way. This strengthens the belief that the universe is abundant and conspiring to deliver your desires. Focus on the feeling. Remember, the universe responds to energy. Instead of obsessing over the how, focus on the feeling of your desired reality. Visualize yourself experiencing joy, success, or abundance. Believe that the universe will orchestrate the events and opportunities to bring that feeling to life, even if they are different from what you envisioned. Enjoy the journey. Manifestation is a continuous process, not a single destination. Reduce the pressure to get there right away. Savor the present moment, the lessons learned and the connections made along the way. This present moment awareness allows you to appreciate the unfolding journey and the unexpected blessings that come your way. Dear viewers, we have explored the exciting terrain of quantum jumping. By defining your desired reality, cultivating the feeling of your desire, aligning your actions, and releasing and allowing, you become a co-creator with the universe, attracting the experiences that bring your dreams to life. As Wayne Dyer eloquently stated, change the way you see things, and the things you see change. Shift your perspective. Cultivate a mindset of abundance, and watch your world transform. The journey of manifestation isn't always linear. There will be detours, unexpected turns, and perhaps even temporary setbacks. But remember, these are often the fertile ground where growth blossoms. Embrace the twists and turns, for they are part of the magnificent tapestry of your life. As Ralph Waldo Emerson reminds us, do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path, and leave a trail. Forge your path, embrace the unknown, and trust the universe to orchestrate the most beautiful symphony of your desires. If you've enjoyed this topic, we assure you more of these thought-provoking topics still need to be discussed. There is a whole universe of knowledge waiting to be explored. Comment below with your biggest takeaway, and let's keep the conversation going. Also, subscribe to this channel so Wu can easily catch up with our subsequent content. And until next time, remember you are the architect of your reality. So dream big, take action, and trust the universe's magic to guide you on your incredible journey.